Hello, today we'll take a look on the process of making plants for the film. The main setting in the film has a broad field with not that bright or colorful vegetation. To make models of the different plants, I went to some fields for reference photos and textures. It was sort of casting for plants, which of them will be most suited for our requirements. For the production, I won't need that many different species, but still I won't be able to cover them all in this video, and we will take a look on just 2 plants. I took a bunch of photos of many species. The focus was on plain color plants, and main color scheme for the film's vegetation will be green and white. And the first will be this one. Vegetation in the film will be quite simple and not very detailed, because they will be mostly just a part of a background. As usual, starting from single plane. Then I just put the photo below to follow the shape. Then by copying, we need to create some sort of star shape. While copying, I also slightly modify the form. Now the texturing part. This frame represents flattened version of our 3D model, on which we will project our photos. Of course, we need to tweak them a bit, extend stems and paint out unnecessary details. After, we need to trace the shape to have a transparency map, where black areas is where final texture will be fully invisible. To the next leaf. After, we need to color correct the final texture just a bit. Applying our black and white transparency map to the model. Then color map. And now this is how it looks with the lighting. Next will be this plant. Long ago I wanted to include it in the film as a white accent to the green masses of landscape. I forgot to take photos of it in the field, but I have this photo taken last year, so we will use this both for reference and for texturing, starting from little flowers. Since it's kind of complex plant in terms of modeling, I decided to make a few basic parts and then construct whole plant just from these few. Next will be the part with the leaves. I made it from the flower. I created 2-3 variations for leaves and flowers. Stem is bended from just a regular cylinder. Now all parts are ready, and we can start constructing whole plant. For easy flower placement, I made spheres in areas where flowers should sit, and then automatically scattered them on these spheres. Here's how it looks with flowers. After the similar texturing process. Unfortunately, this one photo does not have good view on green leaves, so I borrowed them from completely different plant. some cleaning and color correction. The last thing will be adding some curvature to leaves so they are not too flat. And now the final result. Next time we will take a look on some new props, so stay tuned and thanks for watching.